Alrighty, guys, we did another run back here to finish out the high tech. So this is another baseball mixer. 2016 high tech 2 boxes and 2016 Bowman Chrome Vending 1 box. This is break number 169. So yeah, good luck, you guys. Let's get the high tech up here going first. Oh my gosh, it doesn't like me. Doesn't like me today. Frankie Montas, Dodgers. Oh, it's not even on camera. There we go. I changed my camera angle to too high there. There we go. Carl Edwards Jr. Cubbies. Nelson Cruz. Mariners. Sandy Koufax. 58 out of 99. Green here for the Dodgers. We got some more color here. What is this number 2? Tanaka for the Yankees. Or are these ones not numbered? I don't know. There's no number on it. It's not stamped.
Not numbered.
Yeah. It's a nice card, though.
Still different and nice.
That's the case hit. Very nice. His ink one's 300 plus. That would be nice. Alrighty, the auto we have for this one is Aaron Blair for the Braves. It's not numbered. I thought that those might not be numbered, but I wasn't positive. Johnny Damon for the Royals and Jose Canseco for the Rays. Easy. I know, I forget. He said, yell easy.
Easy peasy, baby. Easy.
Oh, babe, you are a little kooky today. Oh, the babe count is getting up there. Isn't it? Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Max Scherzer for the Nats. Paul Goldschmidt for the D-backs. We got a wave. Roberto Alomar, what he said, for the Indians. Whoa, Orioles, Frank Robinson. I love these cards, guys. These are my favorite.
It's not as nice as the last one had ink.
I know, the last one had ink on it, but I still love these cards. Who got Orioles? Going to SD. Ooh. Twinsies, you've got a gold autograph for Miguel Sano. 42 out of 50. Who had the Twins? Going to Easy. Yeah. Easy. Adam Jones and Madison Bumgarner, Giants and Orioles base cards. Here comes that chrome. The thumb and the nub. Oh, my poor nub. Bowman Scout, Connor Sadzak for the Rangers, and Dwayne Underwood for the Cubbies. Travis Blankenhorn, Black Gold Refractor. No number on that one. And we have a Purple Refractor autograph for the Marlins, John Norwood. Going to JD. 192 out of 250. Not quite, JDM. Just straight up JD on this one. Oh, that one's throwing me off. Okay, we've got Alex Verdugo, Bowman Scout for the Dodgers, and Drew Jackson, Bowman Scout for the Mariners. Victor Alcantara, Black Gold Refractor for the Angels. Josh Hader, Blue Refractor for the Bluers.
Bluers.
The Bluers. 95 out of 150. Our next auto is for the Twins, Jermaine Palacios. Going to easy. That is a base auto. Black Gold, Yater Drake for the Dodgers, and Jalen Miller, Black Gold for the Giants. And we have a refractor for David Dahl for the Rockies. Oh, and we have a redemption coming up here, guys. This is out of $4.99. 201 out of $4.99. And that redemption is Chrome Prospect Autograph Antonio Santillan, something like that. Do we know who he plays for, guys? I know you guys know.
Bluers.
The Blues. Reds? We'll look it up. No worries if you guys don't know. The name sounds familiar, but I can't remember. For the Big Chiefs, huh? Is that one going to you, Big Chief? You don't know him? We'll have to check it out.
We don't know who he goes to?
No. Somebody said possibly the Reds, but I'm not sure. Okay. Mancini for the Orioles, Bowman Scout. Jarrell Cotton for the Dodgers, Bowman Scout. Black Gold, Hillman for the Indians. And another auto, Neil Cruz for the Dodgers.
He is Reds.
And that Santillan is going to the Reds. So that one was going to JD Sports. This is going to Easy. And that's it, guys. Thank you much for helping us out there, guys. We appreciate it. Yeah, thank you, SD. Appreciate it. Really, we do.